可现在我会莫名的哭泣。
Guys, apologies, but do you think you can allow me to do a 5 minutes trash talk? I just wanted to get out of my comfort zone in audio, like get out in front of my new setup, this one in here, and get out from here with lots of people enjoying barbecues and the tea, like the lemon tea in here, and lots of things to do in there just to relax them. And by the way, I'm going to discuss to you or share what is the level of work, DIY work, in order for you to get this level outcome of a DIY Class A power amplifier. Can you allow me to do that, guys? First thing really is that you must have a concept in your mind, and that concept is just like the DR100 watt concept project of the Class D power amplifier, similar like that, or the Arduino HMI, the Arduino A3CS, the Arduino My Music Mate. Those kind of concept that will, drive you to make your projects. That kind of inspiration. And probably another thing is that I will talk that another thing at the end. So the second one is that you design your own circuit if you have the time, or you bought it from the e-commerce, like what I have done with the ACA, the clone ACA, which I just simply bought it from the e-commerce here in China. And the reason why I bought the ACA clone from the Taobao market inside China is that I wanted to compare its performance. This is a commercial product that is being sold in the market inside China and probably in the Southeast Asia through different e-commerce channels. I wanted to compare that with. They disturb me. I wanted to compare this with the DIY build that I have it in the Nadan Winter Camp, which is the amp that was PCB designed by my teams and was popularized by my team in the Philippines. So I'd like to compare between the two, between a real DIY made versus a commercial made that is being sold in the market. There will be two kind of different because the DIY made, you want to do it by yourself, that you believe that what you can do is much better than any commercial one, or maybe it's much cheaper than any commercial one. While the commercial one, it is basically made with the purpose of profit. So that's two distinctive parts. And the third one is that you're going to test that electronic circuits or electronic boards, whether this is a DIY made or you bought it from the e-commerce. And I actually make the video for this, how to test the Class A power amplifiers. Guys, I wish I have those powerful oscilloscope like LeCroy or Rodent Quartz. Those are my dream oscilloscope so that I can show you how good this power amplifier is. But I just have the Lotto instrument. It's a cheap one, but very powerful virtual instrument, wherein I demonstrated actually in a video how to use it using a standard PC and a smartphone with an Android OS. I think the fourth one is that to build the casing or the aluminum casing, wherein I have my handmade by Dandy. Maybe this is something that another kind of inspiration, and this is DIY made. I really have a hard time to do this, making the aluminum case, putting that BU meter in front of this amplifier. Well, guys, there's no shortcut. The fifth one, it's gonna be the assembly of the PCBAs inside the casings. I really have to do it manually. And guys, it take me almost like 3 months to finish this project. From the time in December in my hometown in Baguio City, the Philippines, doing all of these videos, doing all of this experiment and so on and so forth. Now it's March 2025 and it took me 3 months actually, handmade. by Dandy. So what is the six ones? This is the six ones in Chinese, and you're going to test it whether parametrically or you're going to test it as SQ or the sound quality, like what I'm doing in here, trying to listen to the performance of this newly built power amplifier. Oh, oh, I'm on the sixth one discussion and they disturbed me already. Got lots in here, you know. I love barbecue. So what is number seven? This number seven. It's going to be the nice adventure with programming the Arduino, that so-called digital brain to control your analog heart, and that analog heart is the circuit of amp the amp clone. Well, this is another adventure actually in my DIY hobby that I'm not only concentrated or I'm not only touching those analog circuits, the amplifier, but actually I am incorporating or I'm using a digital brain to incorporate or control that so-called analog heart, the analog circuits. And you know what? It's not going to end at number seven, but it's a continue at number eight. And that number eight is taking videos, making a profile, making a gala, editing the videos, and then publish it to your social media like YouTube, Facebook, WeChat, what else? Instagram? No, I don't have Instagram or any form of social media that you wanted to show or demonstrate to your friends, to your co-DIYers, ika nga mga ka-DIYers, and you probably can give them some kind of inspiration or a kind of role model that they can follow it. Sometimes our fellow hobbyists or our DIYers makers, they don't have that strong, they don't have that kind of a strong inspiration or motivation or willpower to continue their project. Not like what I have. I have the concept, the R100 watt concept, Arduino, handmade by Dandy, and you know what? There is a number nine, and that one is inspiration. The one that really inspire you to do things like this from one to eight. And that is why this project, this amplifier is called this one and this one. That's my inspiration. All right, guys. This is a pretty much longer than 5 minutes trust talk, but I hope you stay on this video till the end. And what I can say is that in the next video is going to be the code, the programming, the continuation of programming of the Arduino project. For now, I really share what I have in mind, what I have done in the real world, and what I have been doing right now on videos about the Arduino project, the real world application in the Class A power amplifier, and then it's going to be the continuation on the next video of the programming. So stay tuned to this channel, guys, and if you like the content of these videos, don't forget to subscribe, share it to our DIY friends in the audio hobby, and promote my video as well, you know. There's a reason for that why I say that you can promote my video, because I'm really advocating a DIY education in here about electronics, analog circuits, digital circuits, hardware design, PCBA integration, including programming specific now to the Arduino, since I have done the programming already for the Intel 8051, which I have been shared to you already. All right, guys, from this noisy environment, chilling in here, I enjoy so much about the people in here, the surrounding, the atmosphere, and enjoying the video right now. But I have to say bye for now and see you in the next video. Don't forget about the programming of the Arduino and continuations of the Arduino project.